Do you know what I'm going to teach today? Of course you know, because you already read the title. Yes, today I'm going to teach you about the presentation format background. Here are some of the examples of the background that PowerPoint already provides. See, there are many colors. So let's learn how to format a background. So here are the steps. First, click this tab right here. It is the design tab. And then click the arrow right here. Yes, to choose your desired design. And then you can play with the colors or fonts or effects for your theme. Now, let's choose your desired background. See, there are so many backgrounds options you can choose right here. So, this is one of the default background, and I chose the most simple one. Now, which one do you think is the better looking background? Is it the A1 or the B1? So, I think, personally, the A1 is better. You know why? Because the font color is bolder. It is more contrast with the background. But, what do you think of this? Which one is easier for you to see? Is it A1 or B1? I do think the B1 is better for you to see because the color of the text is yellow and the background is black, so it is more contrast and your eyes is easily notice the color of the text. Let's see how to make a new slide. First, choose the Home tab and then choose the Slides tab right here, and then click the New Slide button with your left button on your mouse. Easy, right? But what if you want to make a new text? First, click this tab right here. It's the Insert tab. And then click the Text tab right here. And then click the text box icon like this, and then this will shown in your slide, and this will happen if you click that icon. But do you know that you can make your work a little more fun? Just click the Insert tab here and then choose the Text tab right here and then click the word art icon. And then you can make your text with more dimension and style with this icon. But let's learn how to choose the word art styles. First, you must go to the word art styles tab and then click the arrow button. Next, you can choose a lot of styles to make your work a little more fun and sassy. So let's practice, because practice makes perfect. So I hope today's course will help you to make a great presentation. Good luck, guys!